Cooking with a low-quality frying pan can make even simple meals a hassle. Non-stick frying pans are a kitchen essential, offering effortless cooking and easy cleanup. Selecting the right pan ensures durability, even heat distribution, and a stress-free cooking experience, making all the difference in your kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best non-stick frying pan of 2025. We'll start with my 5th choice and work our way up to the number 1. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Number 5, we have the All-Clad non-stick fry pan. The All-Clad combines professional performance with user-friendly convenience. Crafted from heavy-gauge aluminum with a stainless steel base, these pans deliver even heat distribution, making them ideal for tasks like searing, frying, and sautéing. The triple-layer non-stick coating ensures effortless food release, whether you're cooking delicate eggs or hearty meats. Designed for versatility, these pans work on all cooktops, including induction, and are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, offering flexibility for a variety of recipes. The flat base and flared sides make flipping and tossing food easy, while the double-riveted stainless steel handles provide a secure grip. Cleanup is hassle-free as the pans are dishwasher-safe, though hand-washing helps maintain their durability. Perfect for home cooks seeking high-quality cookware, this set is an excellent choice for achieving consistent, delicious results with minimal effort. Number 4. We have the T-fal non-stick fry pan. The T-fal offers exceptional performance and durability for everyday cooking. Featuring a rugged, hard-anodized aluminum exterior, these pans are built to last, providing even heat distribution to eliminate hot spots for perfect results. The unique thermospot technology ensures precise preheating, turning solid red to signal when the pans are ready for cooking. With a titanium-reinforced non-stick coating, food slides effortlessly off the surface, making cleanup a breeze. The 10-inch and 12-inch pans are perfect for a variety of tasks, from frying eggs to searing meats, accommodating both individual portions and family-sized meals. Oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe for convenience, these pans are versatile and easy to maintain. Designed with silicone handles for a comfortable grip and vented tempered glass lids to trap moisture, this set is ideal for home cooks seeking reliable, high-quality cookware at an affordable price. Number 3, we have the Tramontina non-stick fry pan. The Tramontina fry pan combines commercial-grade quality with everyday convenience, making it an essential kitchen tool. Crafted from heavy-gauge aluminum, this pan ensures even heat distribution, delivering consistent cooking results every time. The reinforced non-stick coating allows for effortless food release and easy cleanup, perfect for tasks like frying, sautéing, and searing. Designed for versatility, it's compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops and is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The ergonomic cast stainless steel handle, paired with a removable silicone grip, provides comfort and control, whether you're cooking on the stovetop or transferring dishes to the oven. NSF certification ensures professional-grade durability and safety. Ideal for both home cooks and professional chefs, this pan delivers exceptional performance, durability, and ease of use, making it a standout choice for versatile and reliable cookware. Number 2, we have the HexClad non-stick fry pan. The HexClad hybrid fry pan combines cutting-edge design with unmatched versatility, making it a standout in any kitchen. Featuring patented construction, aluminum sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel, it delivers the searing power of stainless, the durability of cast iron, and the effortless cleanup of non-stick. The laser-etched hexagonal surface enhances its non-stick performance while remaining scratch-resistant. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, this pan heats evenly for consistent cooking results. Oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for frying, sautéing, and even one-pan meals. The ergonomic stay-cool handle ensures comfortable use, and the pan's durability guarantees long-lasting performance. Ideal for home cooks seeking professional-grade cookware, this pan blends style, performance, and convenience seamlessly. Number 1, we have the SENSARTE non-stick fry pan. The SENSARTE frying pan is the epitome of effortless cooking and easy maintenance. Featuring a Swiss granite non-stick coating, it ensures your meals slide off the pan seamlessly, whether you're flipping pancakes or frying eggs. The cast aluminum body offers durability while maintaining a lightweight design for easy handling. Its high magnetic conductive base distributes heat evenly, making it ideal for all stovetops, including induction. The wood-grain Bakelite handle not only stays cool, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Oven safe up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher friendly, this pan simplifies cooking and cleanup alike. Perfect for health-conscious cooks, its PFOA-free coating allows for less oil usage without compromising flavor. This frying pan is a must-have for home chefs who value convenience, quality, and style. Choosing the right nonstick frying pan can transform your cooking experience, making every meal preparation smoother, healthier, and more enjoyable. From advanced heat distribution to durable, easy-to-clean designs, these top picks offer features tailored to every kitchen need. Whether you're a home chef or a casual cook, investing in the right cookware ensures long-lasting performance and delicious results every time. Let me know in the comments which nonstick frying pan is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.